Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now in this video I have this play worn very used Majorette. It says 162 scale Depanneuse. What is Depanneuse? Um, Anybody understand French? Please tell me. And it is made in France. And it looks like the Chevrolet Blazer, Chevy Blazer. So what I'm going to do, or what I have done, is separate the body, and I will repaint this. So join me later when I have repaint this. Hello everybody, and now I have painted the car. So let's see. I painted blue. So this is the finished product. I've painted the rims as well, and the rear lights. So again, this is a Majorette made in France, the original, from where it came from. Depanneuse is a truck, auto truck. Yeah, you can search. This used to be a tow truck, but the plastic part is missing. So we'll just leave it like this. A Chevy Blazer. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.